The job description of a business executive involves managing strategic, operational, and administrative functions within a company to ensure growth, efficiency, and overall success. Business executives are key decision makers responsible for aligning business goals with market realities while overseeing teams, departments, or entire divisions. They may work in various industries such as finance, technology, retail, healthcare, or manufacturing, but the core of their role remains consistent: leading and optimizing business operations. Business executives are often positioned at the mid to senior management level and report directly to top leadership, such as CEOs, directors, or stakeholders. Depending on the size and structure of the company, their title might include terms like operations executive, sales executive, or corporate executive. Regardless of the specific title, their influence extends across planning, execution, and performance monitoring. To succeed in this role, a business executive must possess a strong mix of leadership, analytical thinking, and communication skills. They act as a bridge between the company's strategic vision and the teams responsible for delivering results, making their role both dynamic and impactful. Primary responsibilities of a business executive. A business executive's primary duty is to drive business performance in alignment with the organization's goals. This begins with strategic planning. Executives assess current performance, analyze market trends, and participate in the development of annual or quarterly business plans. They help shape long-term objectives and make decisions about resource allocation, partnerships, and operational improvements. Business executives are also deeply involved in team leadership. They manage departmental heads or team leads, provide direction, and ensure that staff are aligned with the company's mission and values. Motivating teams, conducting evaluations, and implementing training programs are key components of their role. In some cases, executives also participate in hiring decisions to ensure that qualified and culturally fit professionals join the organization. Monitoring performance is another core responsibility. Business executives use key performance indicators, KPIs, and business intelligence tools to evaluate financial data, customer satisfaction, sales metrics, and operational efficiency. Based on insights, they suggest improvements or initiate strategic changes to boost outcomes. Project management often falls within their purview. Whether launching a new product, entering a new market, or revamping a business process, business executives oversee the execution of projects from start to finish. This includes defining scope, setting deadlines, managing budgets, and coordinating across departments. Communication plays a vital role in executive responsibilities. They regularly prepare and present reports to senior leadership or stakeholders, explaining progress, challenges, and future projections. Internally, they ensure that teams are informed, engaged, and working collaboratively. In the middle of examining the diverse tasks, it becomes clear that the job description of a business executive requires balancing vision with execution, combining strategic insight with hands-on leadership to ensure organizational success. Essential skills and qualities for the role. Leadership is the cornerstone of the business executive role. The ability to inspire, motivate, and guide teams is critical to maintaining high morale and achieving business objectives. Effective executives build trust, resolve conflicts, and foster an environment where productivity and innovation thrive. Strategic thinking is essential. Executives must see the big picture and anticipate future challenges or opportunities. They make informed decisions by analyzing trends, financial data, and industry dynamics. A clear strategic vision allows them to stay ahead in competitive markets. Communication skills are indispensable. Business executives engage with various stakeholders, team members, clients, partners, and senior leadership. Whether in presentations, reports, or one-on-one conversations, clarity, persuasion, and professionalism are vital. Problem-solving and decision-making are part of everyday operations. From resolving workflow inefficiencies to addressing customer concerns or supply chain delays, executives must assess situations quickly and implement practical, effective solutions. Financial acumen is necessary for managing budgets, interpreting reports, and driving profitability. Executives need to understand cost control, return on investment, pricing strategies, and revenue generation methods to contribute meaningfully to financial decisions. Adaptability and resilience help executives cope with fast-changing environments. Whether navigating economic shifts, technological disruptions, or internal reorganization, successful business executives remain flexible and forward-looking. Time management is crucial. Balancing multiple responsibilities, often under tight deadlines, requires the ability to prioritize effectively and delegate where appropriate. Executives must focus on high-impact tasks while ensuring daily operations run smoothly. Technology literacy is increasingly important. Business executives often work with data analysis tools, customer relationship management, CRM, software, and productivity platforms. Comfort with digital systems enhances decision-making and operational efficiency. Work environment and challenges. Business executives typically work in office environments, but their schedules may include travel, especially if the company operates across multiple locations or interacts with international partners. They may attend board meetings, industry conferences, or client events as part of their role. The position can be high pressure, especially in competitive industries or fast-paced companies. Executives are held accountable for performance targets and are often expected to produce measurable results within strict timeframes. As a result, the role may require long hours, tight deadlines, and the capacity to handle stress. Another challenge is managing diverse teams and personalities. Leading multiple departments requires emotional intelligence, diplomacy, and cultural awareness. Business executives must maintain harmony, ensure collaboration, and address conflicts promptly. Balancing short-term demands with long-term goals is another ongoing challenge. Executives must deliver immediate results while laying the groundwork for sustainable growth, a task that demands discipline and foresight. Despite the pressures, the role of a business executive can be extremely rewarding. It offers the opportunity to influence the direction of the company, make meaningful contributions to its success, and enjoy a fulfilling leadership journey. Executives also gain access to professional networks, development programs, and financial incentives such as bonuses or profit sharing. Educational requirements and training. Most business executive roles require a bachelor's degree in business administration, management, finance, or a related field. In many organizations, candidates with a master's degree, such as an MBA, are preferred for senior executive positions. These programs provide advanced knowledge in strategy, marketing, operations, and leadership. Practical experience is highly valued. Many executives begin their careers in entry-level roles and progress through supervisory and managerial positions. This hands-on experience helps them understand the nuances of business operations and leadership. Professional development continues throughout an executive's career. Workshops, seminars, and executive training programs help build relevant skills and keep knowledge up to date. Certifications in project management, e.g., PMP, lean operations, or strategic leadership can also enhance credentials. Mentorship and peer networking are valuable tools for learning and growth. Business executives often join industry associations or leadership forums to share insights and stay informed about emerging trends and best practices. Conclusion: the job description of a business executive outlines a leadership role that is both challenging and influential. Business executives are responsible for turning strategic ideas into operational reality, guiding teams toward success, and ensuring that companies remain competitive and efficient in dynamic markets. For professionals who possess strong leadership, analytical, and interpersonal skills, this role offers a rewarding career path with opportunities for personal growth, impact, and advancement. In every industry and at every level, business executives play a critical role in shaping the future of their organizations.